Welcome to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video we are going to talk about mining crypto telegram bot that is free of mining, and you can withdraw it to your wallet anytime if you reach the minimum withdrawal. So let's go, guys. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, kindly do well to subscribe, press the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you. I'm going to leave the link in the description of my video or in the comment section of the video. The two of them, I'm going to leave the link there. So you will see my WhatsApp community link and Telegram community link in the description of the video. Kindly do well, join it so that anytime I have information, I normally drop them there so that you will have access to communicate with me time to time. If you have any issue on this platform, once you register, just comment in the comment section. I will get back to you, or if I don't get back to you, use my Telegram community link and message me there. I will get back to you ASAP. So guys, let's dive in our tutorial. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. It's very important. If you skip any part, you will miss the important part. So don't skip any part. This video is very important from beginning to the end for those that are about to register and for those that have already registered, that are already mining on it. Yes, this, if you miss not bit, don't meet this naughty coin again. Yes, if you are sure you miss not bit, don't meet these naughty coins again. Yes, so let's dive in. This, the app is 90 coin bit, but the name under is naughty coin. So let's click on it. If you click on it, click on this play, this one. So as you click play it here, I'm mining. You will after 2 hours to claim the mining. As you can see now, I remain 23 minutes to come and mine. So as you can see here, you come back every 2 hours and claim your mining, then I start mining afresh. As you can see, my balance has have 58 5800 from my mining. If I should come to my wallet, for example, if I should come to my wallet, you will see I have 5.84 USDT. Then you will see in my turn I have 1.84 USDT. Sorry, 1.84 ton. Yes. So guys, this is my home. This is home. You see this here? See this daily check-in, daily check. You come here every day. You come. Sorry. You come here after every 24 hours and claim your reward. So you see, I've already claimed my yesterday and today on. This one is tomorrow on. If you just click on it, if you just enter, once the time reach, you see next check-in is tomorrow. Once the time reach, you click on it. Then once you just come, they will just show you to claim. Once the time reach, if you just come, they will just show you to claim. So guys, as you can see, even this daily checkup, daily reward will accumulate a better USDT and a better ton for you. As you can see, day one start with 500, 1000, 15, 2000, 25, 3000, 35, 4000, 45, 5000, 55, 6000, 65, 7000, 75, 8000, 85, 9000, 95, 10,000. You see, up to 15,000. You see, this is 15,000. This one they have not shown yet. They just show something padlock, but they have not shown what is there. Up to 15,000, guys. Just check 15,000. Not be small, as in like it's up to 1 month. This one is up to 1 month, if I didn't forget. Just check 15,000 plus the one you are mining. So guys, it's a lot of money in. There's a lot of money in this platform. Yeah. Sometimes to make noise, just click here, press this one to mute it, so that it make noise for you. Yeah, so that it will not for you. Yes. So as I was saying, this video is very helpful. Do well, register so that you start making massive money on this platform. Yes, it's very interested and it's very helpful. Thank you guys. Do well to follow me, subscribe, share, press the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video like this, YouTube will notify you. I will leave the registration link in the video description. If you are interested, you can register there. Let's make money together. One love, we are together. Do well to follow for more updates like this.